Cold therapy sounds simple until you're actually sore, swollen, and trying to sleep while juggling ice packs. I've been there. So I bought and tested 5 Polar Products active ice setups myself, using them during real recovery days and long nights. I wanted to see what actually helps, what's comfortable, and what's worth paying for. Product number 1, Polar Active Ice 3 9QT Cold Therapy Ice Machine. When I lifted the Polar Active Ice 3 9QT unit, it felt solid but not bulky, like something built to live next to a bed or couch. Setting it up was simple, and I liked using frozen water bottles instead of messy ice. During testing, the programmable timer was my favorite part because I could set it and actually relax without watching the clock. The pump stayed quiet overnight, which mattered more than I expected. The knee and joint pad wrapped snug without cutting circulation, and the compression felt supportive, not tight. Cold stayed consistent for hours, so I didn't need refills. This is clearly designed for real recovery, especially after surgery or flare-ups. If you need controlled, overnight cold therapy and don't want noise or lakes, this one's worth it. From here, I wanted something simpler and more portable for everyday healing and stress-free home recovery use. Product number 2, Kinetic Labs Reusable Ice Pack Wrap. When I held the Kinetic Labs Ice Pack Wrap, it felt thicker and tougher than most gel packs I've tried. The material didn't feel cheap and the straps were wide and secure. During testing, the biggest difference was how flexible the gel stayed, even straight out of the freezer. It wrapped comfortably around my knee without feeling like a frozen brick. Having 2 gel packs made it easy to swap and keep icing longer without waiting. I also liked that I could move around while wearing it, which helped on busy days. The compression stayed in place and didn't slide down. This feels more like something a physical therapist would hand you, not a drugstore ice pack. If you want something portable, reusable, and simple without hoses or machines, this is a solid option. After that hands-on wrap, I moved back to a full ice machine setup. Product number 3, Polar Active Ice 3 16-quart Cold Therapy System. When I handled the 16-quart Polar Active Ice machine, the first thing I noticed was the size. It's bigger but still easy to carry. Once filled, it stayed cold all night without needing attention. During testing, the programmable timer again stood out because I could sleep without worrying about overdoing it. The cold felt steady, not shocking, and the knee pad distributed water evenly with no hot spots. The pump stayed quiet even during long sessions. I like that this version handled longer therapy sessions better than smaller coolers. It's clearly made for serious recovery, especially post-surgery. If you need extended cold therapy through the night and don't want to refill ice constantly, this one makes sense. After testing the machine itself, I focused more closely on the therapy pads that make the biggest difference in comfort. Product number 4, Polar Active Ice 3-in-1 Knee, Ankle, Elbow Therapy Pad. When I picked up this 3-in-1 therapy pad, it felt well-made and flexible, not stiff or plasticky. The stitching looked clean and the tubing felt secure. During testing, I used it on my knee and elbow, and it molded nicely to both. The water flow stayed consistent across the pad, which helped with even cooling. The attached straps made adjusting quick, and nothing shifted once it was secured. I like that it didn't bunch up or dig into my skin during longer sessions. This pad feels like a smart add-on if you already own a Polar Active Ice machine and want versatility. If you're dealing with multiple joint areas and want one pad that actually fits well, this is the one to grab. After that, I wanted to see how Polar handled larger, harder-to-wrap areas like shoulders. Product number 5, Polar Active Ice Shoulder and Upper Arm Therapy Pad. When I laid out the Polar Active Ice Shoulder and Upper Arm Pad, I noticed how wide the coverage area was right away. It's clearly shaped for shoulders, not just a flat pad. Wearing it felt more secure than expected thanks to the multiple straps that kept it from slipping. During testing, the cold reached areas regular ice packs usually miss, especially around the upper arm. The pad stayed comfortable even during longer sessions, and the water flow felt even throughout. It worked best when I was seated or resting, which makes sense for shoulder recovery. This is a great choice if you're rehabbing a shoulder injury or surgery and already use the Polar Active Ice system. After using all of these, it was clear how much the right pad matters for effective relief. All of these Polar products' active ice options worked, but the right one really depends on what you're recovering from and how long you need therapy. I've put links in the description so you can check current prices and details. Pick what fits your recovery, not just the hype.